Inspirational sayings or a punchy quip on a letterboard, it's about the coolest way these days to display your favorite quotes. So what about a mini version for your Christmas tree? We were totally smitten with these letterboard ornaments and had to know more about them. Our friend Holly Charlesworth created these guys. How did you come up with this idea?
Well, it was kind of a happy accident, actually. I've been wanting to create something that combined the letterboard trend with the embroidery hoop trend, because they're both kind of things that people are doing.
Right.
And I went to the store in search of black burlap because it has those little holes and the letters could poke through.
Oh.
But it would just so happen it was like 2 days after Halloween and they were completely sold out of all the black burlap.
You're like, my creative dreams dashed.
So then I ran to Michael's. I had like 5 minutes. I run in and I'm like, I'll just get some black felt. And there it was. This felt I've never seen before. It's called corduroy felt.
Okay.
And that was it. And then I knew I had the idea and it would be perfect. And it's so cute.
We've tried in the past to DIY a letterboard. It's really tricky, but this is new to the scene and this is a game changer, right?
Yes, and it's like $1 a sheet.
Okay.
So look at this texture. It's just like, it's exactly like a letterboard. So anyone can make these and it takes 5 minutes. I just love how simple it is. And there's lots of different color options as well, but I kind of like to stick with the classic black or gray or white.
The DIY heavens open for you in those 5 minutes at Michael's when you found this. And now for all of us, I have to tell you, are you like me? I scroll through those letterboard quotes and just guffaw.
Yeah.
Like I laugh out loud. I hope this never goes away. And now it doesn't have to, at least for the Christmas season. Where do you get the smaller embroidery hoops?
Okay, so I got those at Michael's as well.
Okay.
And there's 2 different sizes. Most of the ones I made were with the 5-inch embroidery hoop.
Okay.
But they also have a 4-inch. They have pretty much any size you could want. So this one I created with the 4-inch, but most of the ones I did with 5-inch, and they're around $1, a little more than $1 for the hoop.
So I mean, total this ornament less than
$2.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
What a cute neighbor gift. I'm just saying. Okay, so how do we assemble it all together?
Okay, so I'm going to show you really quick. So you're just going to take your little embroidery hoop, and if you've never worked with one before, you're just going to put this bottom piece underneath the felt.
Okay.
And then it's so simple. You just lay it across the top, and you kind of want to, well,
show it who's boss.
Yeah.
Get control.
Okay. So you just press it over and it's basically done. I mean, that's like it. It already looks like a letterboard and it took 2 seconds. And then you're just going to take your scissors and trim around the back. And I have one that's already done.
Done. Voila.
Trimmed around the back.
Yes.
And then you're just going to take your letters. And the cool thing is, I'm sure most of you all have letterboards at home, so you'll have your letters. If you don't have letters at home, there's a really fun local Utah company called Oak and Made, and they sell the letters just separate for $10 for an entire set.
Oh, nice.
And you can make all your ornaments just with that set.
Perfect.
So that's what I did. And
say the name of their company again.
It's Oak and Made.
Oak and Made. Okay.
And I'm missing a letter. Oh, here we go. So for this one, I'm going to do peace.
Okay.
And the first thing you want to do is just line up your letters on the board just to make sure they're kind of where you want and the spacing and everything like that. Once that is done, you're just going to take your scissors. The scissors you use are kind of important because you want scissors that have these sharp tips right here, because you need to make a really small cut. And you want to cut right on the line so it looks like a letterboard because you place it right there.
Got it.
So you're just going to make a little cut right here.
So you are, once you make this, you're held to the number, the letter count, right?
Yes, so for these, and that's why I love the $10 letter set. You could make like probably 50 ornaments with it.
Right.
And, I mean, not that you would make that many,
well,
but.
It depends how many neighbors and friends you have, right? If we're going for the gift idea. Tell us how we saw the kind of finished lay of the letters as they spell out. Tell us the embellishments you put around the edges to finish it off.
Okay, so just one quick tip too. You do need to put a small dot of hot glue on the back where the letter pokes through. Just right there, and then that will secure your letters so they'll stay.
Got it.
And then my finished one is just right up here.
So
it says
cute.
peace. Some of the embellishments I used just ribbon I had in my craft room. This stuff is really cute. It's at the Target dollar spot. Is that not so
Target.
Cute?
That's adorable.
I mean, you could make so many things with this, but we just glued it around the edge as a cute embellishment.
Yes.
You can find different colors of the letters. We have the black ones on there. They come in red. I did do one cute little red and white ornament. They have the red letterboard felt as well. So there's just so many options. And then another thing that I just threw together last night was an option to do a quote on a bigger letterboard, because this will still, or the bigger ornament. hoop. So you could do a cute little Christmas quote and hang that in your kids' room. You better not pout. Like,
it's
that's
a warning. It's a threat.
Exactly.
These are adorable. Like, trust you to lead out on this trend, on this idea, and you've got the full tutorial on your website.
Yes, on sistersuitcaseblog.com, and just search for Letterboard Christmas ornaments, and we've got a video and everything to show you how to do it.
Be sure to bookmark that website. One of our favorites here. It's so great to have you.
Thank you so
and I
much.
love your Christmas nails. I just have to say, I was trying to stay focused on the project with these cute plaid nails.
It's Color Street. It's Color Street nail strips, and they're like amazing.
So cute. You just brought the Christmas spirit in more than one way. Thank you so much, my friend.